Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the center door hinge on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Remove the upper hinge cover and use a 3/8" socket or nut driver to unthread the 2 screws securing the hinge. Support the freezer door as you remove the hinge. Lift off the freezer door and set it aside. Using a 3/8" wrench, fully unthread the center hinge pin. With the hinge pin removed, you can lift the refrigerator door off of the lower hinge pin. Now, using a Phillips head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the 3 mounting screws to release the old center hinge. Install the new center hinge by partially threading the right mounting screws into the frame. Now position the spacer, then align the new hinge, and thread and tighten all 3 mounting screws. Reposition the refrigerator door on the lower hinge pin. Close the door, then thread and tighten the center hinge pin. Reposition the freezer door. Align the upper hinge and thread the 2 screws. Snap on the hinge cover. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.